So I'm getting ready to go nuzzer, nuzzer, nuzzer. Nuzzer, 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 nuzzer. Nuzzer, nuzzer, nuzzer. Oh yeah, we should start over here. Start over. Do you want to go to work? Good girl, nice dog. That's a good girl, nice fall. Back to her heel, good girl. Nice dog, sit, stay, good fall. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good. Heel, good girl, nice dog, that's a good girl. Good dog. That's a good girl. Okay, good dog. Good dog. That's good. That's good. That's good. Up. That's good. Resort to the compliment is to say, come good girl, come good girl, come good girl, hey, come good girl, good dog, good girl, good dog. Nuzzer, 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 nuzzer. Good dog, good girl, that's a good dog, good girl.
I'm giving him a hard time.
Ha ha ha.
I'm barking at him.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Did I pet him?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to keep him down.
Okay, sit down.
Good dog, good girl, good
Sit
dog.
down. Yeah. You just want to be good. Good dog.
Good dog, it's a good practice.
Sit down. Sit down. Yeah. Calm down. You just want to be a good dog. Okay, I'm sorry I can't play. Is he full grown already?
Yes, yeah. Hey, come good girl. Come. Good dog, good girl. Yeah, it's a good dog, good girl. Come good girl. Come good girl. Come good girl. Come good girl. Good dog, good girl, good dog, good girl. That's a good dog, good girl. Nice dog, nice girl. Good dog. It's gonna be saying, oh, good dog. Good dog. Okay, nuzzer, nuzzer, nuzzer. Good, nuzzer. Do you want to go to work? Good girl, nice dog. That's a good girl, nice fellow. Back to work. Heel, good girl. Nice dog. Sit, stay, good follow. Sit, stay. Heel, good girl. Nice dog. Good dog. Heel, good girl. Oh, where is he? Good. Ooh. Oh. Good dog. Good girl. Good dog. That was perfect. I shouldn't have gone back. Good dog. Good dog, good girl, good dog. Good girl. Okay. Thank you, Joy. I'm gonna be distracting the dog as you come in. Really nice to see you. Just a minute. Good dog, come on. Come on, walk in here fast and she'll follow you. Good dog. You don't have to do that. You don't have to bend her. Hey, good. Good dog, good girl, good dog. Good dog, good girl. Good dog, good girl. Good girl. Good dog, good girl. Nice dog, nice girl. Good dog, good girl, good dog, good girl. That's a good dog, good dog. Good dog, good girl. Really beautiful, Jody. Really beautiful. Wonderful, Jody. Heroic of you.
He's working on getting her to jump on people.
Oh, I think she's gotten bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's taller.
Taller?
Yeah,
She's fatter, I
fatter.
know that.
Okay, good dog, good girl.
He's trying to teach her not to jump up.
Oh,
And he's had several different people just stop in, people that he knows, and to see how she reacts.
Oh, yeah, practice.
Can she pet her now?
Yes.
Good dog sitting. We'll make you sit some more. Sit. Do you smell?
I can make her sit.
Good. No?
Good.
Because,
Good girl. Good dog. Good.
yeah.
She, I'm sure it's so interesting. She smells all my kitties.
Oh yeah, sure. Sure she does, yeah.
You smell all kitties, don't you? Yeah.
When I first had her, I made her sit when I gave her a little treat.
Right.
And so she'll sit for me anytime.
Yeah, a little bit of a positive reinforcement there, right?
I have one of these that Ben borrowed from Keith, this thing.
Oh,
And now
Good
I
dog.
realize,
Good girl. That's a
that
good dog.
I'm not
Good
going to
girl.
be here for the
Good
discussion for that book.
Oh.
So I'm not going to read any more of it.
Well,
Good dog.
Yeah.
Did
Good
you read
girl.
it already?
no.
I'm not thrilled with it. I mean, Jack loved it, but I don't.
Well, sometimes, I don't know. I've just started, when I read a book, and then if I decide I don't like it, or the writing's new, it's just, I used to plug my phone.
Yeah.
It's like,
I
I don't have
It's
time
my
to do
life.
it.
I don't spend my time that way if I don't
Right, I
want
don't spend my time that way, that's
Good
right.
dog.
That's right. I'll have to deliver a few more checks to people.
Oh, honey, you're.
Doesn't she look cute with her thing?
Yeah.
You got a cute face.
She does. I think she does too.
Very
We've got
cute
I have
face.
the best picture of her on my cell phone. Oh, it's so cute. Yeah, she's a good
Is
girl.
that fun?
Anytime you want to
Is
go
that fun?
walking again with
Yeah,
her.
I'll take her. We'll go
That'd
down
be
to the
great.
river again.
Yeah.
These nice days. Oh, what happened to it? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There. You is being such a nice girl sitting down. Good for you. Good
You
for
can throw it and then she'll go chase
You
it.
want this?
Oh, so I want you more.
A nice penny. Nice penny. Okay, Penny, you've got to
Here.
move.
Here, Penny.
And
Yeah,
I will see you guys
dog.
later.
Good dog. Good girl.
See you later, okay?
Bye-bye.
Good. Good girl. Let's do this one. Let's go this way a little bit. Okay, good job. Let's go this way a little bit. Whoop. Let's go this way a little bit. We do a little bit of square. Come on, come on. Good job, good job. That's a good job. That's a good job. We do this way a little bit. That's a good job. We go over here just a little bit. Okay, good job. Whoop. Okay, good job. Good I'm looking south. South is the way to look. We get a little bit of action over here. We get a little bit of action over here. We get a little bit of action over here. South is the way to look. We love the south. North is a drag. We're done with the south. We love the south. South is the way to look. That's a good dog. That's a good dog. That's a good dog. I'm looking this way because this is the way to look. We look at south, we don't like it. Oh, that's a good dog. 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 Genetic mandate to make that person good dog, good dog, good dog. Okay, good dog, good dog. Okay, good dog. Come on. We're doing this like this. We're going to go over here a little bit. I know it's so confusing. You're such a good girl. You're such a good girl. That's a good girl. Okay, good dog. Good girl, good dog. That's a good dog. That's a good girl. We'll do something like this. We'll say. We'll say. We'll say. Penny, come good girl. Penny, come good girl. Penny, come good girl. Penny, come good girl. Good dog, good girl. Nice dog, nice girl. That's a good dog, good girl. Good dog, good girl. Okay. Okay, come on. That's a good dog, good dog, good dog, good girl. That's a good dog. We're over here with these our leashes. Let's get a different leash. Come on. Good dog, good girl. That's a good dog. Let's get a different leash. We'll get the other leash. That's a good dog. Hey, we'll go over here. We'll get the other leash. We'll get the other leash now. Change leashes. Okay, we'll put on this other leash. Because you deserve some of the other exercises. I might even become. Now we're going to try this other thing. We're going to say, oh. Right hand. We're going to say, do you want to go to work? Good girl, nice dog. That's a good girl, nice follow. Back to work, heel, good girl. Nice dog, sit, stay. Good follow, sit, stay. And then we go like this, possibly like this, like down like this. But she's already in. We say, this is really good. Then we say, okay, here we go. We're going. Heel, good girl, nice dog, that's good girl, heel, good girl, good dog, heel, good girl, nice dog, good dog, that's a good girl, you're free. Come on. Okay, good girl, good dog, good girl, good dog, good dog, good girl. Okay, good dog, good girl. That's a good dog, that's a good dog. Good girl. You're free.